Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.